New at 6, a mental health crisis team is getting a boost from Houston City Council.
Well, that team responds to calls that may not need police presence and help those in crisis. KPRC 2 health reporter Haley Hernandez is here to explain how this starts immediately. Really,
It does. So this has actually already been in the works, but money voted on today will help it to grow, proving the city sees the value in mental health interventions.
So this is so vitally important to make sure.
That's Mayor Turner approving the agreement between the city of Houston and the Harris Center for Mental Health and IDD, essentially arming police officers with mental health experts to have on their side.
We've been de-escalating individuals and helping divert some of those responses for many years. And the funding that City Council contemplated today would allow us to take that program 24/7 and always have those mental health clinicians on site and able to answer those calls and be a part of that diversion system.
The funds, totaling $17.5 million, will provide 18 new teams of psychiatrists and nurses being part of the mobile mental health response and add 24-hour help for officers in the field.
It provides funding for us to put tablets in law enforcement's cars so that when they are dispatched by 911 and when they arrive on scene discover there's a mental health component and maybe they're not comfortable fully understanding how to respond or what the needs are, they can use that tablet to connect one of our crisis clinicians remotely.
Councilwoman Plummer spoke up during today's meeting with one example of why more civilians and officers need this support.
A gentleman was on his roof and having a mental health issue, and his mother had no one other to call the 911, and he was arrested and is still incarcerated.
For the Harris Center, they never want a situation to escalate to the point that someone whose only crime is feeling misunderstood goes to jail. We are talking about instances where no crime is committed. Young says one of the biggest supporters of this program is law enforcement. Mayor Turner says in a few weeks he plans to propose 2 more clinician teams, bringing the total to 20.